बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मेरा नाम, you can call me DCR for now. I want to keep my name discreet until I'm more comfortable doing this. So I want to introduce myself and I want to introduce the channel. I've already introduced myself, as you know, that I'm calling myself DCR for now because that's what the name of my channel is going to be. As far as the channel is concerned, it's going to be all about dashcam footage. मेरे डैशकैम के चैनल बनाने के कुछ वजूहात थे. First of all, I wanted to promote a safe environment to record your journey on the road. I've seen a lot of youngsters these days who want to showcase their driving skills with handheld devices, recording their journey from point A to point B, and that could be very dangerous. So I wanted to discourage that. I wanted to promote dash cams because dash cams are a lot safer way to record whatever you're doing on the road and then put it on display, as opposed to holding a phone in your hand and then driving with the other hand. Not only you're putting yourself in danger, but then you're putting others at danger as well because you're distracted recording with one hand and driving with the other. So that was one of the major reasons why I wanted to do this channel. जो दूसरा रीज़न है वो ये है कि मैंने अभी नई गाड़ी ली थी माशाल्लाह, और मेरी नई गाड़ी के साथ ऑलरेडी कुछ नीनाकारियाँ कर चुके हुए लोग, जैसे कि चाबी मार दी गाड़ी पे और पार्किंग के अंदर खड़े हुए पूरी डैशबोर्ड कह रहा हूँ, बोनट पे या साइड डोर्स पे कुछ ना कुछ कोई कार्रवाई डाल गया चाबी से. So I wanted a dash cam because I wanted to record these instances so I can put a face to these culprits and then put them on social media, so at least they can be ashamed of what they're doing to other people. यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में एक माइंडसेट है, बड़ा कॉमन माइंडसेट है कि जिसके पास गाड़ी है वो हराम का पैसा कमाता है. And pretty much every other person that you're gonna meet who's riding a bike or riding a rickshaw or a van, even some people I know that are driving a car and they're still jealous of other people and they don't appreciate other people having new cars. So काफ़ी इंस्टेंसेस हैं ऐसे जो कि आए हैं. मेरी अपनी गाड़ी के साथ इस तरह हुआ है, ब्रांड न्यू गाड़ी के साथ, कि बोनट, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि बोनट पे चाबी मार दी. So that was one of the other reasons why I wanted to put a dash cam on my car so I can record these instances while my car is parked in a public place, because ये incidents मेरे साथ 2-3 दफ़ा हो चुका हुआ है. So it was about time that I put a dash cam on my screen. So that was the other major reason why I wanted to install a dash cam. And one of the other reasons why I wanted to install a dash cam is that I travel quite a lot, and I plan on traveling even more now that I have a dash cam. So now that I have what it takes to record a journey without using my phone and without getting distracted while I'm driving, I know that I'll be traveling more, specifically to places like northern areas. So that was one of the other instances. But last but not least, this is the most important reason why you should all have a dash cam in your car, and that is recording incidents. I know कि पाकिस्तान में ड्राइविंग रूल्स जो हैं वो कोई फॉलो नहीं करता, और आप देखेंगे कि मोटरसाइकिल वाले ख़ास तौर पे या रिक्शे वाले लेन स्विच करने से पहले ना कोई टर्न सिग्नल्स यूज़ करते हैं, ना कोई हाथ देते हैं, and they just hop on from one lane to another within a matter of seconds. And if you're coming in hot, if you're coming in fast, then you are in a bit of a conundrum because you could either save them or save yourself, or it becomes a situation. So मेरे हिसाब से इस तरह की सूरत हाल में आपके पास डैश कैम होना बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि आप ये इंस्टेंसेस रिकॉर्ड कर सकें और खुदा न खास्ता कल को किसी इंसिडेंट की सूरत में आप उस फुटेज को एज प्रूफ यूज़ कर सकें, अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, ना कि अपने आप को बल्कि दूसरों को भी। और अगर आपको कोई नज़र आता है कल्प्रिट ऐसा, तो यू कैन एक्चुअली रिकॉर्ड देयर नंबर प्लेट हैविंग अ डैश कैम। सो आई गेस बात करने का मकसद ये है कि having a dash cam is really important, and the sole purpose of having this channel is to promote dash cam among youth, because I've seen a lot of guys, especially teenagers, they are driving dangerously these days just to showcase their skills, driving skills on the camera, on social media, and they're just using a stupid way of doing it. I understand that this is not going to stop them from driving idiotically, and it's okay. I guess all of us have been through that stage. Do it in a safe environment. Do it in a way where it does not cause harm to others, and use turn signals. Even if you're driving fast, you should always use turn signals, because that's what I do. So at least let the person behind you or the car behind you know that you're about to switch lanes. So I guess मेरे हिसाब से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप लोग डैश कैम यूज़ करें और हैंड हेल्ड डिवाइसेस ना यूज़ करें अपने आप को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. This dash cam, the one that I'm using right now, is a VO4. I'm gonna put the exact model down in the video description, so you can follow that. You can also order it online. I'm not sure whether or not you can find it in Pakistan. I got it from States. I had somebody coming down from States, so I had them bring it over for me. Thanks to them, I have it now, and I am now going to run this channel. I'm going to be posting videos of my road journeys, on my day-to-day commute, on different places, and hopefully you guys are going to support this channel. You guys are going to support my videos by liking these videos and subscribing these videos. So just do all you can to give my channel all the exposure you can. Thank you. इंशाल्लाह आप लोगों से अगली वीडियो में मुलाकात होगी. शुक्रिया. Enjoy the rest of the video.